One hotel after the other, we are rolling out JiPOS, and this time it was Milele Beach Hotel in Mombasa, North Coast. This is an exciting hospitality destination offering a beachfront experience. Come and experience it yourself, and whenever you're here, always give us a shout out.
It's been a perfect day. We trained, and the users are like, wow.
The tough questions are answered by JiPOS.
The tough questions, I don't need to answer them myself. I just tell them, you see here, you can do this through this. You can solve this problem through this functionality. This module has something for you. Simple as that.